Hi there, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and I'm here today with my neighbor and friend Lisa. She and her husband Ned have an air filter business. Her husband Ned has been working in the HVAC industry for about 20 years, and so about 3 years ago they started their own air filter business. So she's going to be here today and talk to us a little bit about air filters, how they work in your HVAC system, what's special about the filters that they sell, and at the end we'll have some details about how you can get a awesome coupon code for their great filters. So Lisa, if you just wanted to start and tell us a little bit for people who don't deal with air filters regularly, aren't in the industry, what are air filters, how do we use them, and what do we want to be careful of as we buy them?
Air filters are the filters you put into your HVAC systems. It's to help prevent particles and hair and bacteria and just little airborne things, from breathing it in. It helps filter that out of your air in your home to make it a better air quality in your home. You just replace them monthly if you have like pets, or if you smoke in your house, or if you cook a lot. You want to replace it monthly. If you don't have those things going on in your house, if it's a little cleaner, they could probably last about 3 months.
And your filters, you were telling me, have this special label to help people remember when they put them in so they know when to change them?
Yeah, when they ship to you, they come with a label, a sticker that you stick on there, and you just write the date to show when you put it in, so that it's a reminder it's due to change, when it's due to change.
Now, we all have so much in our minds already. We don't want to have one more thing that we have to remember. So
Exactly.
having an easy way to have everything labeled so we can always reference that would be really handy. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your filters that you guys sell? I know you mentioned something about MERVs, which I'm sure most people would like to learn more about.
Okay, yeah, we only sell the higher up MERVs. We don't sell the cheap fiberglass filter MERVs that you can buy at like Walmart. Those are really cheap. They're like the green ones that have the holes in them. You can see through anything, get through it. Our filters are more dense. They look kind of like white cotton, but they're just denser. And the higher the MERV, the denser it is. It allows less particles, down to like a micron. Like a hair can't get through these filters. And we only sell between the 8, MERV 8, MERV 11, MERV 13, and we also have a filter for odors as well. So it would be like a MERV 8 rating, but with carbon in it, so that helps to neutralize odors in the house, like cooking or pets, kids, all that good stuff, all the stuff that causes odors.
Yeah, no, that's wonderful. And I know you were saying that these higher MERV rating filters that filter more out, they're going to give you higher air quality, or better air quality, I should say, because they're filtering more out. And you also said it was better for your system to have these higher rated filters. Can you explain that a little bit more?
Yeah, it's because they're so dense, they don't allow those little dust mites, those dust particles, the dust bunnies, all that stuff. It gets caught in there, so it doesn't allow it to then flow into your HVAC system to then seize up your HVAC system. If your HVAC system stops working out of nowhere, most likely you need a filter change. My husband does HVAC for a living, and his first question is always, did you change your filter? Every time somebody's filter breaks down, that's his first question. And I don't want to say 9 times out of 10, but most of the times they change their filter and it gets back up and running again.
And I'm thinking too, I know people spend a good amount on I guess vent cleaning, for cleaning all their air vents. I'm thinking if you have a good filter in there that you change regularly, you shouldn't be getting all that stuff accumulating in your vents, right?
Right. As long as you change it regularly, as long as that happens, you shouldn't have too much debris going into the system. You're correct.
Awesome, great. Well, now we all know a lot more about air filters and how they help us, our air, our HVAC systems, our vents, everything like that. So sounds like it's really a win-win to have some good air filters in your system and keeping all that junk caught in the filter and out of your air. Now, a couple other things I know you told me about your filters are that they're made in the USA.
Yep.
And that people can get custom sizes.
Yes. If you don't see your size on our website, you just shoot us a message, and 9 times out of 10 we can make your filter. We can have it custom sized.
So that's really cool, because I know that's a problem we run into sometimes is, my husband usually has ordered our air filters, and sometimes he looks and he's like, I don't see our size listed. We didn't even know that getting a custom size is a thing. So it was really nice to talk to Lisa a little bit more about her filters and learn that. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Lisa, for her
You're
time
welcome.
today. I'm really excited to talk to Lisa here about our filters, and I thank you guys for watching this and hopefully learning a little bit. And Lisa and her husband Ned have been so great. They have offered a 20% off coupon code for my newsletter list. So in the comments below, I'll have a link to sign up for my newsletter. I send it out once a month, and in the December newsletter, we'll have a special 20% off code for everybody to get these filters. And then can you go ahead, you can say, the company's name, website, things like that, and then I'll also have those links in the comments below.
Okay, so the company's name is www.grabfilters.com.
So grabfilters.com, Grab Filters. So like I said, I'll have a link in the comments below. They also have a Facebook page, so I'll have a link to that Facebook page. Check them out, like them, and then sign up for the mailing list to get a coupon code for 20% off. So thank you guys. Again, Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and we have Lisa here with Grab Filters. Have a great day.
Bye.